So we're back in the lower floor here of the stone house, and in the last weeks I was throwing down all the really big rocks from the second floor to this floor here, using the old mattress and some pallet that completely got destroyed in the act. So this will kind of be the center of the fireplace. I'm gonna build with stones around it. Mitzi will do that. He had like a friend here.
Hi, Joe.
Was opening up the two spots where we're gonna have our pipes in. One of them will be here exactly behind the fireplace, and he actually found an old snake skeleton, which is still in a pretty good shape and a relatively big one actually. Right now he's gonna get the other opening here for the pipe, which will allow the air to come into the fireplace. So as you can see, it's a pretty big one. Maybe it's a blavor, which is, it's not a dangerous snake, according to Mitzi here.
This blavor hunting dangerous snake.
This one is hunting the dangerous snake.
Yes. What is that?
Oh, wow, interesting. So this one is not venomous, but it hunts the ones that are. I rushed back to the tower here after going to the city, and I realized on my Viber that it's Mitzi's birthday today, so I brought him some donuts and some candles. Let's see if he's here. No, doesn't look like he's here. I think I'm just gonna leave it. It's cool. Is doing a great job here at the fireplace. We've got this metal part now which I can open and close, and it will enable the hot air to stay in once we get past the point where you have smoke while you burn the wood and you get to the coal stuff. You can close this and then it will get warmer. Like both sides we've got these special pricks here. We're gonna build the stone wall afterwards around, and then you can't see any of these pricks anymore. I'm gonna clean up this room here. It's gonna be the game room. I'm gonna clear out all of these stones again, so it's gonna be like half plaster, half stone, and then the wood. I think that looks really cool in the end. And all the plaster of that big wall I have to take down. Alright, the room is nice and clean again. And the first thing I'm gonna do now is take down this plaster here, because yeah, it's just full of cracks, and that definitely has to go. And when I'm done with that, I will slowly make my way on this one here and kind of go all the way around. Just at the entrance, I'm gonna leave it a bit. Turns out there was an old door here. This huge stone and then another big stone going down, and this one should be another big one on this side. So I think in here there was some small door, or maybe a window. Oh, it's so exciting to keep finding these things. Here we go, we uncovered the secret. It's not a door, it's a window. I'm coming to the end of the day because I finished this wall I will leave this part of the plaster because I think it looks really cool and I can show people how it looked before. Kind of goes around the corner here, and we rebuilt the wall here and left the plaster, so from here it will go down kind of towards the floor there, and the rest of the wall will be cleaned up and pressure washed. Yeah, I'm so happy about finding this window, although I wanted to put my dart machine in that spot, so that was the perfect spot for the dart machine, and I kind of don't want to cover the window, so I'll have to see. Another person who will come today is a fisherman that I randomly approached on the Bar Harbor. And he's gonna put up a fishing net on the top here for decoration. I can kind of put stuff on top if I want to and hide the cables a little bit. Extremely hot right now. At least the cables don't look like cables too much anymore now. And once we have the lamps installed here, I think it will look much nicer. Alright, we're back in the stone house, and last night I spent the evening to move all the stones that used to lay on this spot here into this spot, because very soon I'm gonna start building the bar stone wall pretty much. And also I walked a little bit more on the storage area of the bar. I had to remove kind of like all the unstable rocks here. Just very roughly laid out the bar setup. I'll have the small door over there. It's gonna be exactly the same kind of western door as I have in my current bar. And another door here, but that one will have kind of a... yeah, you can use it as a bar to put drinks on. But the main entrance will be this one. But the first concrete, all my tools are missing again. It's a Katastrophe, how they say here, when the workers use my stuff. Now I only have the small one. The big one, I have no idea where they put it. I should start off by just getting some nice stones already here to the front so I don't have to walk back and forth. Good morning again. It's 34 degrees today, and tomorrow we'll go to 38. So this is the last day where I'm gonna work during the day now. It's also the last day where I have my bar open tonight, so I have to finish up around 4:30 again. And from tomorrow I can work in the evening, so I will start at 5 p.m, 6 p.m. maybe, or maybe even 7 p.m, let's see, and then just work in the night with the light and finish up my wall. But today, one more day of mixing up here in the heat. Can't wait to move into the evening. Yeah, I'm also only doing small wheelbarrows full of concrete because in this heat it gets dry very fast. And it takes me some time to arrange all the stones in my stone wall. So better do half portions and mix a bit more often. So it's 10 p.m. and it's much nicer to work during the evening for sure. While the sun is setting, it's just temperature-wise so much better. This rock here is sticking out a bit. It's pretty similar to my wall in the entrance where I have my fruit trees planted now. So yeah, it will kind of be like not smooth. It's gonna be my style, but I like it. And it's so cool to do my own bar. It's Wednesday now, only one more day left after today where I can work the full day, and I was actually doing quite a lot of work today on the outside of the wall, and I finally solved the mystery of this little weird window. As you can see, you can kind of tell that they put some more stones in that place. And now I know why that is, because I just removed the ivy on the other side and I have to cut it on a regular basis now. So I removed a bit more ivy this time because it will grow very fast and I'm gonna be away for 3 weeks. So on the other side, I found out that there's another arch. So this actually used to be a door. Let's go check it out. Alright, so I cleared up all the ivy here, and this is the window that we just saw from the inside. And as you can see here, this actually used to be a door. So I'm not sure if they had a wooden floor here, because it's a bit weird to have a door there and here. But yeah, all the time I'm discovering new stuff here. It's so amazing. This is the last day where I can work. 4 p.m. now, so from now on it will slowly get less hot. Outside where I mix the concrete, it's still full sunshine. I decided to take down all of these rocks and we're gonna get the door out again. And then I'll build like a tiny little, like kind of like a Paris balcony, just like for 2 people to step outside for half a meter or so and look out pretty much and see the sunset. And I think that will improve this room quite a lot, because from here you would have to kind of go really low to look out of the windows. And if we open the door up here again, then yeah, people can just walk out and enjoy the view. And it creates a little bit more space. How sweaty I am now. It's pretty hot today, I think 30, 39 degrees. But also the last day where I can do a lot of work. And this kind of stuff motivates me so much. We can now see the original arch from the door. You can kind of tell here, they just patched up the stones. And I'm nearly halfway done removing the stuff here already. I've got a good system. I'm putting the wheelbarrow down here and I just directly put everything in the wheelbarrow and then put the good stones over there, which we will use to rebuild other stone walls, and then the bad stuff just comes outside for now. You can see the big tree. Has been such an amazing end to this video, actually, because I think I will have so much material now that I'm gonna stop the video here. And when I come back, we're gonna check out how this looks finished, and then also the floor will be installed the day when I come back. With that, I'll say goodbye. I will show you some final videos from my bar, but I probably won't talk any further. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more, and if you have not seen all the other videos, I think we've got like 15 or so of them online now. I'm documenting everything here in my project, and we're not even scratching the surface. This is just the beginning. There will be much more coming up. So stay tuned, and I'll see you after my holiday. Bye bye. You made it to the end of the video. That's awesome. Thank you so much. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button as well. Leave me some feedback in the comments and also make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. A special shout out to my Patreon supporters as well. If you would like to find out how you can support me and receive monthly benefits such as receiving postcards from me or me being your own personal trip planner, then check out the link below.